What's up everybody? Today we're going to show you something cool like this. Alright guys, here we are. So here in my office I have my light strip here. I have a light behind me. You can't see in the frame, but it is another... Hey guys, so I was sitting here editing this video. I had this crazy idea. Hit that subscribe button because one of my subscribers on the Streamerology will win a $50 gift card. Back to the video. RGB bulb. These are Phillips hue. That is a LiveX. I also have a Phillips hue above. But if I get a new follower or subscriber, they get other little commands. And then in my chat, they can redeem points to do awesome, cool things. Like you see here. But it is a lot easier than what you think. We're going to head over to Lumia Stream. And before we walk through over this, look at this. This is all the lights that it works with. You got Philips Hue, Nanoleaf, Coolio Light, LiveX as you see, and the integrations between your streaming platforms. That's bad. But everything else as well. So you'll go to Lumia Stream and you'll get the little application here. You'll install it, follow the prompts, log in. You will be greeted with this guy. Right here, it'll tell you if your internet, if you're connected to Twitch, Streamlabs, Hue, it'll tell you all this stuff. Now this is free, by the way, 100% free. You can pay a fee monthly, 6 months, or yearly to where you can do some other stuff. But that's all up to your discretion. I personally use the free one. But here you'll go into connections. You'll log in with your Twitch. It will show your Hue. It will tell you how to connect with that. It's really just straightforward. Your Streamlabs. After that, you'll go into Studio. You'll go to Scenes. You'll add a new scene. We'll walk you through it and show you how it's done here. So down here, it shows you the lights that I have enabled on this. And I can put, say, this is my LED strip here. And say I want to have two different colors. One's going to be blue, one's going to be red. And we're going to put the light above me as red. We can test that out. Test. Boom. Now there you go. That's blue. That's red. Or if you want this one red and this one green, hit test. Now for your commands that you do in chat, you just place in what the command is going to be. So for instance, as you see in the beginning of it, you saw flash. It flashes that color, RGB, and it just goes through all the lights. Down here in alerts, here's your Twitch, your followers. You want to make sure list for followers is on. Preference. I personally like using Twitch simply because some days I use OBS, some days I use slops. I will explain that in a later video. And then you can go through how long it's going to last and so forth. Again, very, very straightforward. There's not a lot of stuff you have to do when you get more in depth to things, but you can set it up for each one. Here you can set it in so when you have a new subscriber, and you can have the reaction of how you set up the commands earlier. Same thing for bits and hosts. Again, very, very straightforward. Not a lot to it, but when you have your lights and you get a follower, not only do they get the alert that shows up on the screen, but then your lights flash. People tend to go, oh, that's kind of cool. You can take it a step further and start integrating it with other stuff. You can watch our other videos of how we've done overlays, like our confetti cannon here, and integrate the lights in there, have a big old party mode going through. Your imagination is your only limit. Anyways, guys, pretty quick video. That's how I get my lights to integrate with my Twitch chat, with my followers, subscribers. It's free. The only expensive part is the lights. but as you've seen earlier, all of these lights work with it. Anyways, guys, if you have any questions or you want help with setting this up, feel free to reach out to me over at Twitter at the Bad Merc or on Twitch at the Bad Merc again. Appreciate it. Don't forget to unmute your mic.